Hello guys. Did you stuck on OpenAI services are not available in your country or ChatGPT not available error? In this video guide, I will show you how to fix the error and make you access OpenAI services again. So let's begin. But before going to the fixes, don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Method 1. Check your country. Before using OpenAI services on your device, you should check whether your country supports it or not. In the description, I have mentioned the country list where OpenAI services are available. Check them, then go ahead. Method 2. Use Incognito window. You can access the ChatGPT feature on any Incognito window of your browser. Just open Chrome, click three dots, then click on Incognito window here, visit OpenAI website, sign up or log in to access it. Method 3. Go for VPN service. Using VPN service is helpful in fixing the error OpenAI services are not available in your country or ChatGPT not available. Several VPN services are available that can be used like NordVPN, ExpressVPN, Surfshark etc. Method 4. Use other web browsers. You can access ChatGPT or OpenAI services on those web browsers that are compatible with OpenAI. Browser like Microsoft Edge can help to fix ChatGPT not available error and can be further access its services. Method 5. Contact ChatGPT support. When you still face the same issue and don't know what to do, then you should take help from ChatGPT support. Contact the team and explain about the issue you are facing, hopefully they will resolve it from their end.